You are my fire, my one desire, but I'll keep my distance, baby, until COVID-19 goes away. Tell me why, 'cause we are social distancing. Tell me why, 'cause we are self-isolating. Tell me why, this is how the curve is flattening. So I'll keep my distance, baby. Hashtag stay home. Good morning, everyone. I'm Michael Chan, actor and podcaster. Welcome to my Twitch stream. I'm going to get some music on. And today's going to be a quick one. I am going to be unboxing a Pokemon Magikarp battle figure. Magikarp is my favorite Pokemon, followed by Mimikyu. I feel that Magikarp and Mimikyu truly represent me. Magikarp is essentially a useless Pokemon who evolves into something incredible. So I believe that that's me. It's the working hard to evolve into something great that I really like about Magikarp. You know, it's the Pokemon that everyone always underestimates, that everyone's always like, ugh, what do I do with this Magikarp? But, you know, once it evolves, oh, you better watch out. And then Mimikyu, well, I'm an actor, so, by the way, my third favorite Pokemon is Bulbasaur. But anyway, so here's the back of the box. Shows other Pokemon available to buy. And this is the front of the box again. Bottom, side, and oh no, that's my daughter. She's awake. My wife has her. Another reason for me to be quick is I have to go take care of her. Okay, I would like to note that this battle figure is articulated. I don't know if you see that. My ring light is... It's articulated. I don't know how, but it's articulated. But anyways, let's open it. It's nicely sealed. There we go. Pop plastic out. There is something in here. Look for all S3, I'm guessing Series 3? Pokemon figures at wickedcooltoys.com/Pokemon. Okay, I didn't know that these toys had series. First I thought it was S3 was Season 3, but then that made no sense. Oh, nice. Look at all these different toys that you can collect. And I do see a Mimikyu. Nice. Thanks, man. Schmalpeen, thank you very much. And good morning to you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe. All right. So, let's see. So, I'm gonna pull. Oh, something fell out. Oh, there's a elastic band here. Or no, it's a plastic tie of some sort. Wonder where it goes. Oh, it goes, well. There we go. It is off. There you go. So where is this articulation? It is in right here on the fins. And the tail articulates, I guess you can call it articulates. It flaps. And it comes with a stand that inserts into this hole here. There you go. I'm just going to move myself out of the camera for a sec, so we'll focus on Magikarp here. It is very, very nicely made, very sturdy feeling, hard plastic, but also some rubber as well. Paint job's really nice, no bleeding. It is a perfect representation of Magikarp in toy form. Definitely going on one of my shelves. And ooh, how much did it cost? I am being asked. Skun 2. I don't remember since I bought it a while ago, but I can look it up. Figure. Okay, looks like Amazon is taken to price gouging. Give me a sec, Schmalpine. I'm looking it up on my. So it's under $10. I'll tell you that for now. I'm just looking up on my iPad here, because a 2-pack is $10.99 Canadian at Toys R Us. Okay, so when I picked this up, I know I didn't get it for more than $10. Unfortunately, I can't find it anymore. But if you look on, I think they only have one battle figure on Walmart right now for $14.99 Canadian. That is a little high. I would honestly not pick it up for that price. But yeah, if you could find it for under $10, like I did back, because I found this at Walmart like last year, I think. So yeah, once the world goes back to normal, or the new normal, yeah, check Walmart. All right, I'm gonna bring this stream to a close. Schmalpine, thank you very much for joining me today. It's nice to have someone to chat with in the morning. And but yeah, if you, Schmalpine, or anyone else wants to connect with me online, I am at Michael C.W. Chan on Instagram and Twitter. I have a website, www.michaelchan.ca. I also have a podcast called Talking with Our Mouths Full on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Music, and wherever else you listen to podcasts. All right, thank you very much for joining me today, and stay home, stay safe, and stay hungry. And thank you very much, Small Peen. I'll follow you. I'll follow you back. All right. Take care.